welcome to another try on clothing haul. Of course, it is with Princess Polly, one of my favorite online stores. I picked out quite a variety, maybe even like out there type outfits this time that I wouldn't normally choose, but there's some colors in there that are absolutely stunning. So Princess Polly have given me a 20% off code that you can use site-wide. I will leave it on the screen and down in the description box down below, and I'll make sure I leave all the links to the pieces so you guys can easily shop them. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first couple of pieces I picked up was this lime crop. I think you can tie this in many different ways, but when I was putting it on, this is just the way that I tied it up. It just kind of looks like a halter neck, and then you can either do it up like, I guess, over your neck, or you could also do it like crisscross. Absolutely love it. It's super summery. And then, oh my god guys, these jeans. So I have these jeans in the full length version. So this is gonna be annoying. These are like a flared out, I wouldn't say mum, but kind of mum, because it is quite relaxed, like around the legs, and then it obviously has little holes near the knees, and then that's what the end of the jeans look like. It has a little cute raw hem. I'm just pairing it with some sneakers, but how cute is this outfit? I love this asymmetrical look. I got a size 10 in these, and they seem like a good fit. I was gonna go an 8 just because I remember the last time there was heaps of reviews saying that definitely go down a size, but I'm glad I ended up getting a 10 in these because they fit me like perfectly, and they're not too tight, so like throughout the day they probably will wear in and become a little bit more looser on my body, which is what I like. I hate wearing tight fitted clothes. You do up several buttons. I should have probably done that one up, to be honest, because it's like poking out, but you get the gist. I freaking love this outfit. Next top I got is such a similar style to the previous one, but it just has a bit of material that goes around the waist. This is really flattering. I absolutely love it. I thought when I first put it on that with the jeans it might not look cute because blue on blue, but I actually really love this combo together. Okay, next top I got was just this really cute crop, I guess. I got this one in a 10, so it was a little bit looser rather than tight fitted, but I think these kinds of tops, especially white crops, look amazing with blue jeans. Okay, next top, no brainer, I had to get it. I've got so many of their crops in this style in so many different colors, so I had to pick up the chocolate brown. It literally would go with anything, even these jeans, but it's just like a really perfect basic crop to have in your collection. So I picked up this one in an 8. Usually I am 8 in most tops. I've got one more top that I can pair with these jeans, and then I've got so many cute sets to show you guys. Oh my god, stop it right now. This is my favorite top I think I own, and that's a big call. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. So flattering. It's like that slinky material that doesn't cut in, but it's like fitted. I got this one in a size 8. If you did want it to be a little bit more comfortable, definitely go up a size. Like this is quite like fitted on me, but I like this size. Oh my god. With a cute pink bag and like cute sandals, I can't deal. I'm shook. Okay, next dress that I got, I'm actually obsessed. So this is like a long t-shirt, like long sleeve linen-ish, I think it's cotton, but how cute is this as like a throw over some bikinis? So these bikinis I brought with me to Hayman Island / the Gold Coast. They're like my favorite bikinis. They're just brown, obviously from Princess Polly, but I just thought this would be a really cute like throw over. But I just love these kinds of relaxed tops / dresses. So I did also get some really cute sandals that you probably saw on my vlog. Look at them. So I've always wanted a pair of sandals like this, but I wanted them in either beige. Actually, no, yeah, just beige. I just love beige. And when I went to the shops a couple weeks ago now, they were out of stock, so I just thought I would wait for them. But I saw these on the website and I thought they were a bit different because they're denim. I've got socks on, but they are actually the cutest shoes. I now know why everyone has them. How cute are they? Don't mind my toes, I need them done so bad, but they are literally the cutest and the most comfy sandals. So obviously if you wanted to create a little bit more shape with a dress like this, you could definitely put a belt around the waist, like a loose fitted belt, or if you wanted it tight fitted. But I personally love just baggy clothes like this. Okay, so it wouldn't be a PP haul without a play suit. I am obsessed with their play suits. I pretty much have every single one on the website, I think. So I have this exact one, but a long sleeve version. Obviously it's a bit hot right now to wear a long sleeve jumpsuit, even though sometimes I do because they are quite breathable. But how freaking cute is this one? I got this one in a size 10. Yeah, I love the fit on it. It's like literally the perfect baggy fit, and I'm wearing them with my cute little sandals. Such a cute, like everyday casual jumpsuit. I am obsessed. And then the next couple of pieces I think are sets, which I'm super excited to try on. They're a bit more dressy, so let's try them on. Okay, not gonna lie, I didn't realize how many of these style tops that I picked up until now. I think I have one other top. Yup, that is like a similar style. Anyways, I clearly love it. This is freaking incredible. I don't have that many black sets. I don't really wear black too often. Like I've got lots of black crops, but I'll always wear it with like jeans, but I'm never in like a black, like a full black outfit. I don't know, I'd rather wear like color or something like neutral or beige. I just love that. But I saw this and I was like, I need this set in my life. They're like a terry toweling type material. They're really flattering actually. They're quite figure hugging. So these ones are in a 10. If you wanted them a little bit more looser, then definitely go up a size. In saying that though, I actually do like this size on me. So I probably wouldn't go up a size. But yeah, it is quite fitted. I just love this top. And I feel really supported in it as well. It's not like one of those flimsy, like revealing type tops that you're scared that your tit's gonna fall out. Like I feel like I could, you know, jump around and it not show anything. But yeah, that's the next set that I got. And I've got two other really freaking cute sets. Actually, I'm gonna try on a top first. Okay, dead at this top. I am obsessed with it. It's a bit fancy, but also you could dress it down and wear it more casually. The way I've styled it is just with that same set pants, the terry toweling ones, but I would probably also pair this with jeans or like some nice trouser pants. But I just had these on, and I would style it with just like one part showing. Probably should have tied that one up. But I love the sleeves on these. Like they tie up here. You obviously can have them untied or tie them. I think they look really cute tied. And then it's kind of like a satiny, like you can't see through. So it's like a thicker, it's really hard to explain. The material is really nice and soft though, but I am obsessed with this top. Like I said, you could wear it casually, you could just tuck it in with some jeans. You could even, if you wanted it to be like cropped, you could also do this and just like tie it loosely like that if you wanted that sort of vibe. What the hell? I feel amazing in this set. This is so beautiful. The color is just on point. Like, I saw it on the website and I was like, oh, that might be a bit bold, like, might be a bit much, but I would wear this 1,100%. I would wear this. I ended up getting a medium and I'm so glad that I did. I love the fit. Where the hell am I gonna wear it? I just can't. Like, it's just seamless. It's by the brand Lioness, by the way, so they do stock like other brands on their website as well, but oh, yes, I love it. Okay, I know I said that was like my favorite set. I don't know, it's on par with this one. Okay, so when I first saw this on the website, I was like, okay, this is either gonna be really nice on, or it's not gonna fit and it's gonna be uncomfortable. But the material of this is actually stretchy. Like, it's not like a firm, hard material. And I love it. It's very different. Like, it's got stripes on it. Don't mind that. It's got stripes on it. Like it's obviously black with white stripes, vertical stripes, and then the crop is a little bit small. So I guess if you do have bigger boobs, definitely go up a size in the top. I got this set in a 10 and it fits me absolutely perfectly. I think these would look really cute with either those sandals, sneakers, or heels. You could like dress it up or dress it down. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul. Don't forget to like this video and let me know what your favorite outfit is. And don't forget that I do have a 20% off discount code that you can use on princesspolly.com. I will leave everything down below for you guys. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you very soon.